Welcome back. And the bigger takeaway is that today is the last trading day of the year. It's the last day of the year as well. So it's time to look back at how the year has been. And one of the biggest constituents of the Nifty, which is the financials, the Nifty Bank, that has underperformed the Nifty over the last 2 years now. Abhishek is joining us to tell us how these banking names have fared in 2024. Abhishek.
Well, as you mentioned, Homas, over the last 2 years in a row, Bank Nifty has actually underperformed Nifty with respect to returns being given to shareholders. So, Bank Nifty had massively outperformed Nifty in CY of 2022. So, over the last 6 years, if you take a look, Bank Nifty has underperformed Nifty. Nifty giving a return of almost 2.2 times, but Bank Nifty up only 88%. So, in last 5 years, Bank Nifty has underperformed Nifty 4 times. If you take a look at that data on screen for reference, and in CY24 both of them, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, have given single digit together for the first time in a calendar year. So RBL Bank, Bandhan Bank, DCB Bank, IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank and Bank of India, all of them have given negative returns over the last 6 years as well as YOY, or in last 1 year as well. YOY, if you take a look, the highest decline is seen for unsecured lenders or lenders with exposure to unsecured segments like microfinance, credit cards, personal loan, etc. So RBL Bank has given the highest negative return, followed by IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank and IDFC First Bank, all of them giving a negative return of 30% to as high as 44%. Best gainers on a year-on-year basis has been Karur Vysya Bank. Now this is a mid-cap, small size bank, and perhaps they have one of the lowest or best in class asset quality with respect to gross NPA ratio being lower than that of HDFC Bank as well. ICICI Bank, followed by Federal Bank, Indian Bank and SBI, all of them have given return to investors more than 23% on a year-on-year basis. Back to you.
Wow, who would have thought out of HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak Bank, it will be Karur Vysya Bank who would emerge as the best performing banking stock in 2024.
For a very long time in the mid-year, it was UCO Bank and Central Bank which were the biggest performers. So, I mean, they had Bank of Maharashtra. I mean, it was a super performer for many months in a row because they had excellent capital and most of the bad loans had been written off. But from the loan givers to the loan receivers, okay, India's all